Hello, my name is Noemi Junco Damian, and I am 21 years old. During my last vacation, I worked most of the times I was busy, but I visit my family every Sunday. I really enjoyed spending time with them because my family is very important to me. We talked at the together and had a good times. My vacation was simply but it was nice and it's relaxing. This semester I am going to learn new skill related to my career. I am also going to study new topics and improve my English because I want to become a better professional. I am going to work hard and learning new things. Thank you.